Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or set of rules designed to solve a specific problem or perform a particular task. It is a sequence of well-defined instructions that can be executed by a computer or by humans to achieve a desired outcome. The instructions in an algorithm are unambiguous and have a finite number of steps. This means there is a clear starting point and a definite ending point, ensuring the process terminates at some point. Algorithms are used in various fields including mathematics, computer science, engineering, and everyday life to solve problems efficiently and systematically. They can range from simple calculations to complex processes, and they play a fundamental role in computer programming, data analysis, optimization, and decision making. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.